from Temp-tations. And by the way, we've offered kitchen racks before, baker's racks, whatever you want to call them, but I've never seen one like this. And let me just say, don't just think kitchen.
That's right.
This is for all over the home. This could be a family room, a living room. This could be a master bathroom, you name it. We're going to go through the colors, but before we do that, you've got to see something.
This is pretty amazing. So you've loved our baker's rack. It was actually your request because you wanted to be able to display your Temp-tations. So a little housekeeping to start. This is powder coated. I love that. It's sprayed on, so it's not going to scratch. It's not going to rust. You can bring this outside. Just don't leave it outside.
Yeah.
But I love that each shelf, and there are 6 shelves, are going to hold 30 pounds. So when you're thinking about your KitchenAid stand mixer, when you're thinking about your Keurig, when you're thinking about all of your Temp-tations, no worries. But I didn't even show Mary Beth the secret behind this until right now. Ready?
Oh my goodness.
There is no assembly required, and it literally comes out of the box just like that.
Oh my
So if
gosh.
you can store an ironing board, I always say this, you can store this
Yeah.
piece. This is a piece of furniture. It is designed, of course, to go wherever you need it. But Mary Beth, if you don't want it out, no worries. You just go ahead and tuck it away. You open that side.
Look at that.
Pull it a little closer. I
Yep.
can give it the hinge.
Oh, and I see.
Swing
then
open
it
here.
hooks right on there.
And then it hooks. It's got a little tongue and groove right there.
Right.
And you are ready to go. 30 pounds, 30
my
pounds,
goodness.
30 pounds.
And look at how beautiful
Isn't that
this
gorgeous?
is. I'm telling you, the designs are striking.
And it's light, 21
we have
pounds.
It in white. Yeah, it actually is 21 pounds, but again, 30 pounds on each shelf. And this is 2 shelves right there. Okay, so here's the other color. We have that beautiful blue, which is truly a navy blue, if you want to think about it that way. This one is the brown, but it's more like a bronze kind of color, right?
Yes, I love that coppery
Beautiful.
kind of bronze color. The colors that we chose are truly for decor, right? They're meant to be used in your kitchen, in your powder room, around the house, and it gives you extra space.
This could be in a family room that you put all kinds of knickknacks and things.
Of course.
Or you could be lining up books. I mean, you could use this as a bookshelf. This one is the platinum, or we call it gunmetal. Gunmetal. So it is exactly pretty much a gunmetal, a gray stainless
Steel appliance.
Steel.
You took the words right out of my mouth.
And
then
this
our
is
classic.
the black. So we've got the black, the gunmetal. Here is the brown, which is more of a bronze. And then we have the blue, which is like a navy blue. And we have the white. Take us on a walk.
Where do you want to start?
Let's
do it.
start here.
Let's start at the barbecue.
Follow you.
Love that. So I love the fact that you now have, and I always joke, right? I never hear somebody say, I have so much room in my kitchen, I don't know what to do with it. Now you never. I said no one ever. Now you actually have 6 great shelves that you can customize, and they hold 30 pounds. So bring this out to the barbecue, and now everybody again can help themselves. I love this for maybe you're just entertaining. Maybe you set up a little beverage area, a little bar. You have all of the apps, and this is now your cocktail party. Everybody mingles, everybody helps themselves, and the best part, this is not a fixed piece of furniture. So if you want to put that away, put that away. This is truly what I love about when we're talking about not only the weight and the capacity, but being able to hold a KitchenAid mixer. And the best part, Mary Beth, it's an open back design so that the cords can fit back and plug in. This is, of course, meant to be used a day in and day out. And then I love this idea. So we gave a little sneak peek of this and asked you to give us some of your great ideas. And this we heard loud and clear. What a great place to store our plants, indoor, outdoor. Look what we did. We actually made some herbs right here in our today's special value, or little plants right there.
Look at
that.
that.
So cute.
Those are adorable. I
So
love
many
to
great
have
ideas.
basil. And then now we're talking our today's special value here. But this could be a set that you buy that you're going to use, you know, for certain occasions or whatever, but you want to display it. I love your idea. Just put your Temp-tations bakeware on here and get it out of the cupboard.
Out of the cupboard, because then you'll use it, but you'll use it more, right? We bury it in the back. We tend to grab the same things. Now you have it. This I love. Maybe you're having company. Maybe your powder room is small. You put this out in the hallway, and everybody can kind of help themselves. It's organized, and it still looks beautiful when you want to use it.
Oh, I love it.
And then, of course, for your home office, how brilliant, again, to be able to customize it. I love what you said in a family room. The printer?
Put the printer right there.
Done.
I'll tell you what, dorm rooms as well.
Great
dorm
idea.
rooms, smaller condos, apartments, things like that, because this is so much vertical space.
Yes.
Now, I want to give you the size on this. It's 55 inches high. I'm only about 65 inches high. So it gives you an idea, because I'm actually 5'5". So I'm 65 inches high. This is 55 inches high. So that gives you an idea. 32 inches wide, and then about 17 inches from the back to the front at the widest part. I love this. I want to remind you of the colors. Here it is in black. These are fantastic. The white, so crisp and clean, brand new today. Here is that gunmetal color, which is like a gray and a silver kind of color. Then we have the brown, which is more like a bronze type of color, if you want to go that way. Here again is that beautiful gunmetal. We have the black, but there's one more color, and that is the blue right here. If you're like me and you have a blue kitchen, this is maybe how you want to get started with it. Remind us one more time what it does.
So 30 pounds each shelf, and the best part, all you're going to do is pull up the two sides and fold it into itself, and that is how it comes out of the box. And then literally like an accordion, just go ahead and open it, and the shelves will come down. There's a little tongue and groove that you fit it into.
Hook it there.
And your baker's rack is ready to go.
And that's beautiful. That's
lightweight.
beautiful. Basements, you name it, anywhere. Good for you.
Isn't that fun?
That's awesome.
I love
you
it.
just
Thank
thought
you.
of everything.
All new this hour.
I want to remind you our today's special value is yet to come, and that is going to be an entire service for 4 of dinnerware. But